A protest like we haven't seen in quite a while, possibly ever. And I have to say this to help you understand. There's a Lungi West protest happening, basically to mimic the Sena Netas. Some of these members of Legislative Assembly have landed up in their undergarments, in their banyans and their vests and lungis. Look at that. It's because, as you can see, the Sena Neta was dressed up as one. So they've also dressed up as one in a similar fashion. And that to reflect what exactly happened. Look at the color they've matched. The red lungi also, that's what the other MLAs of other parties have worn, the same color. Similar vest color, the white one. When he was busy slapping the canteen stuffer, that the dal was adulterated and bad. As this was Shiv Sena MLA, Sanjay Gaikwad, remember? When he was assaulting the canteen staffer, the similar clothes of that color have been worn by the MLAs of other parties as protest. Let's just dip into that video of the protest that has happened. Mustafa Sheikh joins me for the latest on that. Mustafa, that's quite a creative protest, I must say, that's happening. Who are the party MLAs who are protesting right now, and why this specific tone that they have taken?
Well, Pooja, just to give you a small background, the monsoon session of the Maharashtra Assembly is ongoing. The incident of attacking a canteen manager happened while the session was ongoing, and it was Shiv Sena Shinde MLA Sanjay Gaikwad who did the assault. One of the things was the assault was criticized. The other thing which was very much noticed is that the attire he was wearing at the point of this assault taking place, because the video went across the nation. So now that attire has been taken by the opposition Mahavikas Aghadi in the assembly, synonymous to the ruling government. So they have started referring the Mayuti government or the ruling government as the Chaddi Banyan gang, and hence they are saying that goons of this Chaddi Banyan gang are assaulting people left, right, and center, trying to terrorize people who are not following them, and hence to signify that over their clothes, these MLAs, be it from the NCP Sharad Pawar camp, from the Congress, from Shiv Sena UBT, they were wearing vests and lungis above their clothes which they had worn. So that's basically they trying to get an attention for the lawlessness which is being done from the people who are in the ruling party, and no action or next to no action taking place, police action taking place against them. So because of that, this entire incident, this entire protest at the Maharashtra Assembly on the stairs took place.
Gaikwad was even more defiant over what exactly happened. Says will teach them in further language if this happens again. Mustafa, thank you very much for now. Let's listen in now to what is happening on the ground by the Maharashtra MLAs. Upcoming BMC elections that are expected. I can see Jitendra Awadh there. I can see other leaders as well. Whether it's NCP, other parties, basically they've come out dressed up as MLA Sanjay Gaikwad. Similar looking vest and lungi in same colors to basically enact how there's Gundaism within, and because this is a ruling party, even though it kind of started with the MNS cadre slapping a shopkeeper, but a sitting MLA, remember, is absolutely different. He's part of the government. He looks at the dal and then starts to assault and how punch and kick the staffer.